Hello fellas, I have the Makita circuit, so and it's a BSS501 501 I think, and I suspect that the motor is bad or the brushes are melted, so we need to open it. I will try to unscrew the brush holder. Okay, it can be unscrewed. It's all bad. Okay, I will unscrew the 3 screws here. Okay, taking it out, and now I will unscrew the 4 screws here to check the motor and the brush holder. What can you see here? You can see that the motor itself looks good, but the brush holder unit is melted, so we need to replace it. Okay, we need to open the handle here, so I will remove the holding ring. And the handle, and then nut. It cannot be moved. Okay, start it to move. It was rusty a little bit. And we have our brush holder unit here. I will check for the replacement unit. It seems like it's not as long as it needs to be. Okay, we have changed something in the parts, I think. Yeah, so I will just use the cable joint for this one. I will cut it like somewhere here. Okay, I have prepared the pliers and the connection, so I will use the pressable connections like that, and getting both wires in. And pressing it. Looks good. Of course you can solder them or join another way. Okay, had connected. Now, as the wires are connected, I'm inserting the holder unit. I will check the armature. Yeah, it's compatible with this one. One hole here. Okay, the fielder in place, the brush holder in place. Or I think it is, so I can try to close the motor housing, and we'll see if everything closes good. Yep, everything closes good, so I will screw the screws in. Okay, now we know that. Okay, I think I did a small mistake here on the wiring, because now I cannot fit the wires good here. Maybe we'll play it around. Just okay, checking the spring was here. And looks almost good. So screw here. Okay. I'm just managing the wires in the handle, and one of the spring was popped out from here. Can zoom the springs. This goes here inside, and yeah, the next time it's better to leave. Inserting the brush. The cap. Second brush. Okay, it looks nice now. Just checking if it spins. It spins, so now we can try to turn it on. And UVA, it works.